Laravel 12 new starter kits have 3 layouts for login and register pages. This is called simple layout, then this one is called card layout, and finally this one is split layout. And this exists in all 3 starter kits, Livewire, Vue, and React. You may change that. For example, in React starter kit, it's in resources.js layouts, auth layout, tsx. You just specify which layout you want. In the Vue.js version, very similar, but with a bit different naming, resources.js layouts, auth layout.vue, and here are 3 options. By default, it's auth simple layout. In the Livewire starter kit, it's a bit different. It's in the resources views components layouts, auth.blade.php, and this is a blade component. Auth.simple is the default, but you can choose any one of those 3, card, simple, or split. And under the hood, we can take a look, for example, at card layout, which is in React powered by ShadCN component. So this is the before and after in my course about React starter kit. And those default layouts may be good lesson for us to learn the components under the hood, like ShadCN, for example. So in the auth card layout provided by default starter kit, we have card imported from components UI card, which is ShadCN card. So this may give you some ideas how to use the same card layout in other pages of your application. And this is exactly what we did in that lesson of the course. So the form with each field taking the full width, but instead you can do card with card content, like a grid with columns, for example, with Tailwind, with also card footer for the button. And this updated form layout takes much less vertical space.